Hey there, Tapas Fleming here at tatlife.com. Have you heard people say to you, people you respect, love, spiritual teachers, thought leader type people say, you need to let go of the past. But then they don't really give you a way to do it. And it's like, oh, easy for you to say, just let go of the past, then I can ascend, then I can be free. But really, how? So today I want to explain to you why it's hard and how TAT makes it really easy. So the thing is that there are parts of ourselves that we are still identified with that are in the past. It's kind of like portions of ourselves are continuing to live in the past. Well, that's just the way it is. So how do you get those parts of yourself, especially parts that were hurt or that hurt others, that we can't forgive ourselves for, that we can't forgive other people for the way they were treating us? How do we get like back there and, make things okay, get those parts out of where they're stuck in, as though they were stuck, say, in a movie theater, rewatching the same horror movies over and over. And there's some voice from the present going, okay, I'm letting go of you now. And it's like, whoa, wait a minute. I'm still stuck here. I'm still in this. So that's the way I see it. That's what's going on. And just making a basic decision. I'm now letting go of you, the past, all the parts of me that were in the past that are still suffering. We're done. Or some people take to, like, I'm going to take a big giant scissors and cut off the past or the parts of myself or other people who hurt me. I don't see that working. So here's what's so cool about TAT. One of the things is that by being in the TAT pose, what we're thinking is projected to all the parts of ourselves, including all the parts of ourselves that are still living in the past. We're able to deliver new information that arrives, like, hey, that happened, it's over and you're okay. It's as if those parts, I see this is what happens, the parts of ourselves that have been stuck in the past go, what? Really? Seriously? Oh, okay. And we're delivering information like it's okay for you to relax now. Really? I don't have to stay here fighting off whatever who was abusing me for years as a child. I don't have to do that anymore. No, just the TAT pose itself and the intent that you are connecting with, you're speaking to parts of yourself that are still stuck in the past. That allows the information to totally arrive. And if you believe in past lives, it allows information to arrive in other beings you were. It allows it to arrive in parts of your being. It allows it to arrive in your whole body too, all the cells. So it's kind of like TAT is kind of like a cell phone that'll allow you to connect with whoever, whatever, whenever. So all those parts of yourself that have been continually in things that happened in the past get this new information, it updates, and then all the parts of you join you in the here and now. So all of those resources of who you are, who you were when you were little, that got like smushed down because you were abused, not listened to, not cared for, whatever was going on, all those parts that have been held down, or parts of you that lived through the last couple of years and just feel down, held back, depressed. All of those parts of you get this new information that it's okay to be totally present in the here and now. And then all those resources are with you and part of you right in the here and now. And that's what actually happens with TAT. So there you go. All you have to do to have this benefit is follow along the steps of TAT. That's it. It's very simple. There's no sense of trying or anything. It just naturally happens with this process. Okay, thank you for listening and see you next time.